2003. Arizona Ice Top Boys. Young Lindu Shouty.
Emotional Boys 2001.
Emotional Shouties in this bitch. Machiavelli. Bitches come and go, bruh. But you know I stay. Bitches come and go, bruh. But you know I stay. Get my balls licked by a Zoe Deschanel, looking like cocaine addict. Razor blade to your head, conflict. I'ma contradict this shit. Peeing on old people's houses is an inflict. 2003 shit, this ain't no splitting bill shit. I'ma peel banana skits while listening to R. Kelly's greatest hits. Some morphine, young lean. Up in the club for some morphine. Popping pills like sits while someone vomits on your mosquito tits. Slitting wrists while dark evil spirits like slithering with tricks. I'm sick, acid drip makes my spitting sick and makes me start hitting chicks, knitting thick, shitting quick, fitting dick like transmitting shit with an 8-stick. You're gay as fuck like a fish stick. Tequila shots and salt licks, getting balls in your face like a free kick. Young Lean stays motherfucking freaky, bitch. Young Lean in the club for some morphine. Young Lean up in the club for some morphine. Rotten teeth like Gargamel. I cast a spell, you keep on trying to yell. Bet your dead body stinks worse than my swell. Well, Lean expels diagrams as if they were made in Excel. Fuck fat hoes like Adele. Get my dick stuck inside a lamp shell. Get it out with sperm cells and hair gel. Swim in Mexico, Mademoiselle. Point and laugh while he fell. Who's laughing now that I'm explosive like Alfred Nobel? Young Lean only attracts an older clientele very well, bitch.